Welcome to Spring LIB.
Here in this problem given, mass of tin is 491 gram and initial temperature 25 degrees centigrade, final temperature 231.9 degrees centigrade. Specific heat capacity of tin given, heat of fusion of tin also given. We have to find out total heat required to raise the temperature from 25 degrees centigrade to 231.9 degrees centigrade and then melt the tin at that temperature. Now here initial temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. So let's convert it into Kelvin. So 25 plus 273.15. So it is 298.15 Kelvin. Now the final temperature 231.9 degrees centigrade, and we'll convert this one also into Kelvin scale. So adding 273.15, so we get 505.05 Kelvin. So delta T, the difference in temperature, we'll find out 505.05 minus 298.15 Kelvin. And if we subtract, we get 206.9 Kelvin. Now, here, uh, let's write the formula for the heat required to raise the temperature from 25 to 231.9 degrees centigrade. That Q is mc delta T. M is the mass which is given here. 400, this one 491 grams. So let's write the mass 491 gram. See the specific heat capacity, and that one is this one. Heat capacity of tin 0.227. So let's write that 0.227. Here it is gram, here it is joule, gram, K, and times delta T. This is the one 206.9 Kelvin. This one get cancelled. This one get cancelled. And if we multiply, we get 23060.45 joule. That's the heat required to raise the temperature from 25 degree to 231.9 degrees centigrade. Now, heat required for melting. Now, heat required for melting. Here the heat will be used up for melting, only for changing the phase without increasing temperature. Here heat required for melting will be the mass, that is 491 gram, times the heat of fusion which is given here. Heat of fusion given here, this one 59.2 joule per gram. So let's multiply 59.2 joule per gram. This one gets cancelled, and if we multiply, we get 29067.2 joule. So the total heat or energy required for raising the temperature from 25 degrees centigrade to 231.9 degrees centigrade and convert the solid and convert the melt the tin at that temperature. So total heat required will be, we have to add this 23060.45 joule and this one. So total heat required will be 23060.45 joule plus 29067.2 joule, and if we add, we get 52127.65 joule. If we divide by 1000, we get kilojoule, and that one will be 52.13 kilojoule. So the heat required to convert solid tin at 25 degrees centigrade to liquid at 231.9 degrees centigrade. This is the total amount of heat required. That is 52.13 kilojoule.